Hey guys, welcome to the ITS store where we get you the gear you need to get up, get out, and get after it. Today we're taking a look at the Foot Care Blister Dressing Kit. This is the package it comes in. We'll get that set aside and talk about the kit itself. So taking care of your feet is extremely important whether you're hiking long miles or simply standing on your feet all day. This dressing kit gives you the ability to cushion, soothe, and protect against blisters, chafing, and other minor skin irritations. This kit's the perfect preventative maintenance to stay on top of hot spots before they actually turn into blisters. If you're hiking on the trail, you feel a hot spot developing, stop, get it treated before that turns into a blister. I am prone to some chonga-sized blisters when I'm in the field, and I would do unmentionable things for the items in this kit. So the kit itself includes two different sizes of these adhesive shields, which create a breathable, flexible, and protective layer. They're super easy to trim. We can pull this back here and you can see they're very soft and flexible, but they also stay put with that adhesive, which is really nice. We've done a lot of testing on these in and around the shop and also out and about, and they stay put. They also breathe well with a one-way membrane to let moisture out, but not allow moisture in. Like I said, easy to trim, two different sizes. Larger size if you have a larger area to treat, maybe around the heel of a foot or some other area, and 5 of the small ones. So you've got plenty of dressings in here to treat your feet. Also included in these dressing kits are 2 hydrogel cooling pads, which are also easy to trim to fit, and they're perfect underneath the adhesive shields for adding some cooling and protection additionally. I'll peel this back here, you can see just how cool these really are, pun intended. So this also features a breathable surface, a little difficult here to peel back. So you can see this membrane is almost liquid-like. It's got a really good adhesion, but it doesn't leave any type of residue behind. So these would be really great for putting in between something like a blister and one of these adhesive shields for just a little bit extra cushion and relief, especially for a hot spot or maybe a small blister that's already developed. You're going to get 2 of these hydrogel cooling pads in each one of the Foot Care Blister Dressing Kits. Couple final notes on the Foot Care Blister Dressing Kit. You're going to get 2 of the large adhesive shields, 5 of the small adhesive shields, and 2 of those hydrogel cooling pads. Everything here is made in the USA. All of them trim to fit very easily, and they fit comfortably against your skin while still allowing movement. For more information, check out the store description and photos. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again for joining us here in the ITS store where we get you the gear you need to get up, get out, and get after it.